What kind of
No, it was. It's a mix of some of the water-based stuff you can get at
Oh, you
Home
airbrushed
Depot.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This stuff was regular rattle can,
Yeah.
and I could have done better. I actually want to touch it up one day.
Yeah.
But the rest of it is all airbrush.
So, are you using the Harbor Freight
Yeah,
airbrush?
yeah.
And their compressor?
I'm not using. It was. I did it at my buddy's house, and it was. He used the DeWalt compressor, but you could use the. I have a Harbor Freight one that I'm going to use.
I went down there and I spent, I think, almost close to $200 on everything, and it was POS. This was 5-10 years ago.
Yeah,
Now people say they're
they're not bad. I have a little compressor I've had from them for a couple years,
okay.
and it works great. It's just a
And
little
airbrush too?
little 3 gallon. I've never used the airbrush, but I know they work.
So I want to start doing those tiger meat schemes.
Yeah, you have to have a brush to do that.
But the panel lines, man, it'll bleed out.
Yeah. All right, going out.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
It's a little bumpy.
Yeah, it was. I think there's like a mix of thermals too.
Yeah, there's a lot of them right now. So this is 5S.
That's 5S
Yeah.
with the stock motor.
Yep.
And is it time on?
Yep.
Because I have a 5S 5000 pack,
Yeah, this is a 4500.
but I hate just having one pack for a setup, you know?
Right.
Stock ESC too?
Yep.
Wow. I did that on my Trojan.
Uh-huh.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
That pack was like $150. It was a Christmas present like 3 or 4 years ago.
Nice. Oh, that.
Back in the air, Jason?
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Yeah, I think everyone, Tycom and all these
Time
companies
remaining
copied the
5
Axie, huh?
Probably. And they just do it with cheaper parts.
And then, like we talked about, E-Flight started standardizing the motors.
Yeah.
That's the best thing to slice bread.
It just makes everything fly off the same thing.
Yes. How many flights you got on her? At least 100?
I don't know. I haven't counted. I have a lot that I didn't actually count because I usually take videos of them, but
Right.
I did like 30 flights with no video, so.
Yeah, Peter got this one, the red tail, center ring like that. I was amazed at how nice it was.
They fly great.
And he gave it away.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Cool, because the kid got it. Maybe he'll be inspired to fly.
Right.
You know, in a simulator or something. So this has the 6500 in it?
No, this is a 4500 5S.
Oh.
Same weight as a 6200 though. But when I fly with this pack, I'm flying below half throttle most of the time.
Right, because you're using hands.
Yeah.
I mean, you're using bolts instead of hands.
Yep, yep.
Oh man, what a refreshing day.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's been good. It's starting to get thermals out though. The plane's bouncing all over.
They used to call this glider here.
Time remaining 3
They
minutes.
set up their high starts.
Oh yeah, people used to do that.
No one's into that stuff anymore.
There still are some people during the week that come out, but they're motor gliders.
Okay.
Where is this thing?
I used to have little bungee launch ones. Go out on my lunch. You know, it's just a little 40-footer.
Yeah.
Right there before they built Santana Row, you used to be able to fly in there.
Oh wow, yeah, that must have been a long time ago then.
Yeah, it was. The Chevy dealer was over there before. I see what you mean about taking that corner though on the landing.
Yeah.
That way you can bring it down kind of right in front of you.
So I'm just going to do an approach. I'm not going to land,
Okay.
but you'll see what I do. I'm a little far out right now, but
You're aiming for the windsock.
right there is where I aim, right there. And then I just let it sink.
Yeah.
See? I don't want to hit Jason.
And that way it doesn't pass you. And then you
Right.
don't panic.
Right.
Gotcha.
Because there's already sink, natural sink right there, so it sucks you down.
If you don't hit that natural sink there,
It's then you float over it. You float over it, yeah. So I'll show you again, like right here, right in there. Watch the plane, it'll sink. Right there, boom. Right there, see?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And then just what, mind that rudder.
You don't even have to touch it. Seriously, just ailerons, elevator, that's it.
Okay.
If you hit rudder, it's going to screw you out.
Oh, because it gets the tail pivoting.
Then it starts doing weird stuff. Yeah, so this is only ailerons, elevator, that's it. I'm not touching anything else. So this is like a mock approach.
Okay.
Just using throttle.
Okay.
I don't know where Jason, there he is.
And snack bar parking. Gotcha.
Time remaining 1 minute 6
That's
seconds.
another thing I miss is those dairy bells.
Time remaining 1 minute.
They still have a couple.
Yeah, you gotta hunt them down.
Yeah.
There's one in Milpitas. It's been there forever.
Yeah, there's a.
Wow.
This is definitely
What brand of pack is that?
This is a China Hobby Line.
Wow.
and I saw people leaving and like parking on the street.
All right, so let me do another couple passes and then I'm coming in.
You have to go over the
Jason, come on, Jason. I don't want to hit you. Set up for a better one. I see where he is. You
Did
go.
you get this promotion?
No, I got it directly from FMS. No, I got it from Force before they changed.
Yeah, I drove all the way to Redwood City to get that motor, but you know it's a $50 value.
No, it's worth it.
10,
All right, gear passing coming in.
7, 6, 5,
I don't know what Jason's doing, so.
3. Gear down 2, 1. Time expired.
3D stalls.
Okay, landing from the left.
Landing, Jason.
I'm probably gonna piss him off because I'm over the parking lot right now, but.
So this is gorgeous and amazing.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
Bounced and then I waited.
And I think a lot of that is, right now, is the thermals.
Yeah, okay, ground effect, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, once we go down that way, you'll start seeing all the trails breaking off.
Did they move the parking lot?
There's like a bunch of different trails.
The one down there they did.
It's straight out now?
It's further, it's closer to us, but not all the way in.